Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use your Fire TV remote to change your TV's input. This will only work with certain Fire TV remotes. Basically, if your remote doesn't have a power button and a volume up button, like the Fire TV Lite remote, then you won't be able to make use of this feature. But if your remote does have those buttons, then you're in luck. And I'll show you exactly what you need to do to use your Fire TV remote to change your TV's input. And all I ask in return is for you to like this video and subscribe so you can see more content like this. Start off by going over to the Settings tab at the very far right. Then scroll down and select Equipment Control. Next, select Manage Equipment. Select TV. Scroll down to Change TV. And make sure the make of your TV is listed under Current TV. The only reason it might not be is if you originally set up your Fire Stick on another TV. If that's the case, click Change TV and follow the on-screen steps to select the correct TV brand. But if the correct TV brand is already there, then go back to the home screen, press and hold the mic button, and tell Alexa what input you want to switch to. For example, you could say, change the input to HDMI 1. And Alexa will change your TV's input to HDMI 1. You could also say, change the input back to HDMI 2. And Alexa will change your TV's input accordingly. I find Amazon really loves to make use of Alexa. You can even use Alexa to control the volume of your TV. Turn the volume up. Fire TV works differently than how Google TV does when it comes to handling input switching. Google TV actually has a physical button that will switch inputs for you. Some people tend to like it more than the voice commands because pressing a single button can sometimes be a little bit easier than lifting a remote up to your mouth and saying an entire sentence. I'm not saying that Google TV is better, but there are a lot of cool things that you could do with Google TV. Matter of fact, if you watch this video right here, I'll give you an example of some of those things.